If you own an e-commerce site, you know the importance of having a well-organized product details page for each product. So in today's tutorial, we'll show you some simple steps to create your single product page using SP Page Builder 5. Firstly, navigate to SP Page Builder from your components and choose Pages. From the sidebar, expand the easystore option and choose Single. This will take you to the backend editor for your product details page. For today's tutorial, we'll create a simple layout to display our products. Start by adding your first section. The first section comprises 6+6 orientation. We divide the section into two columns because one part displays the product images while the second includes the product details. Now go on to add a row in the first section that will contain the product images. The row now contains two columns. Scroll down to find the easystore single section where you will find gallery and thumbnail add-ons. Add the gallery add-in and the thumbnail add-in in the second. Then we'll adjust the row's width to align with our layout. Since we want to display the additional images in a single column, we are reducing the gallery add-ins column size to 1. Make changes to your add-on style according to your preference and save the changes. Let's review our modifications so far. This is how we wanted our image section to look. Then, add your add-ons to the second column to display the necessary information about the related products. This information can be title, price, variance, availability, and more. Firstly, we are adding a row inside the section just like we did in the case of the first column. Then we will add the availability, ratings, title, price, quantity, variance, add to cart, and social add-ons inside the row. This is how your add-ons will look initially. Now go on and edit and adjust the add-on style and related settings as you deem fit. For the availability add-in, we are bringing changes to simple settings like the text fonts, font sizes, text colors, and padding. Similarly, you can edit the rest of the add-ons as you need. Once completed, go on and check the changes. Perfect! Now we'll create another section that will further include additional information about your shop or your product. Once you've added a section, include a tab add-in inside the created section and add 2 more tabs. Each of these tabs will be used to display information separately. Rename the tabs to match the information you want to display in each of them. Inside each tab, we'll add respective add-ons. We are adding a description add-in for the description tab, a specification add-in for the material and care tab, and the 3 review-related add-ons for the reviews tab. Now you can adjust and edit these add-ons to your preference to display your product or shop's description, additional specifications, and reviews clearly and concisely. Save the changes and let's take a look at our product details page. Looks great! Creating a product details page for your e-commerce website has become incredibly simple. Stay tuned for more videos on easystore.